It's in my family blood for sure. My grandfather used to race cars, my father raced cars. I did my apprenticeship as a motorcycle mechanic in Oxford. I've had a motorbike since I was 10. I was always going to play with cars and motorbikes, so when I did start with Revive, it was kind of just the kind of thing I was looking for, really.
It was just the feeling I got from Revive, felt really sort of homely, good. I mean, it was quite small back then, and it's grown a lot in the time, but it just proves that it's the right one. We made the right choice all them years ago.
We have more holidays, we have more time, we have more money.
And I don't have to go back to a full-time job that I used to be in with the 9 to 5 hours. So for me, it's brilliant because I can fit my work around the children.
When I started in or just after the credit crunch, when everything was happening. And I was thinking, is this the right idea? Should I be doing this? But I just believed that it would work. Surely people got scratches on their cars, and then why would they want to take it to a garage? And when I did start, the first few months, you get people stopping, like I'll be doing a car on someone's driveway, and then the amount of people that would want to stop and say, is this what you do? I didn't know you could do this. So you could see that it was something people were interested in.
If you want to start a business and if you don't know where to start and how to start, doing that together with Revive, it's so much easier. They got a lot of answers, and you don't have to make so many mistakes before you get to the point where you know what you're doing. You have loads of experienced people who can answer questions.
The Revive franchise really appealed to me. I looked at all sorts of different things. I was nearly a private investigator. I looked at like drain cleaning operations and just loads of different franchises. And I also went to one of Revive's competitors and spoke to them. And yeah, ultimately decided that Revive had a great package and the sort of work that I wanted to do. So yeah, I made the leap and sort of sold everything I had to buy the franchise.